Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make hair shampoo. Okay, this is the best channel for you to learn and kickstart the business of beauty products, house cleaning agents, etc. Okay, and I'll be teaching you how to package and sell your products. So stay glued to this channel and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you find this video valuable, if you find it helpful. Okay, and also share to friends and family who may also find it interesting. Thank you for always watching. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing to do is to observe, always observe the precautions. Put on your nose mask, put on your glove, because we are dealing with industrial chemicals. Okay, so in here are our measured chemicals. So I'm going to be leaving the measurement on the description box, so do well to check it out. Okay, so the first chemical here is nitrosol. Okay, but before we go on with the first chemical, we're going to be dissolving our SLS, because SLS takes time to dissolve. So all we need to do is to add some water in a plate or in a bowl, then pour our SLS in there, then leave it to dissolve. Okay, but you can dissolve it in two ways. Either you leave it to dissolve by itself, or you can turn it immediately when you want to add it. So either ways it works best, but this is the I think this is the best way I like doing mine, allowing it to dissolve while I go on to mix other chemicals. Okay, now let's go on with the first chemical, which is nitrosol. Okay, so we'll go on and add our 5 liters of water, because we're going to be doing 10 liters of hair shampoo. So we'll go on with the 5 liters of water first. Okay, after pouring it, you then add your nitrosol. As you add, you stir. As you add, you stir. Then stir it continually until everything is well dissolved. Okay, it's very, very important that you stir it very well so that you don't see any lumps. There won't be any lumps, so go ahead and stir and stir. Nitrosol is a cleaning, binding and thickening agent. It's a slightly yellowish powder. It can be easily dissolved in water. It is used in many productions such as liquid soap, hair shampoo, car wash, etc. Go ahead and dissolve it. Turn it very well, okay? Turn it very well. So once that is done, that is after dissolving your nitrosol, get another bowl. Okay, add water and then dissolve your STPP. Okay, stir it until it's completely dissolved before adding it to your main solution of nitrosol. So go ahead, add some water, then add the STPP. Okay, dissolve it, make sure it's completely dissolved. You then go on to add it to your main solution. Now go ahead and add it to your main solution of nitrosol. Okay, as you add it, you stir it. Insert pressure while stirring it, because at this point it's getting thickened. So insert pressure while stirring it. Okay, so once that is done, we now move on to the next chemical. So in this, let me say, is a group 3. We're going to be mixing 3 chemicals all together. So we'll first of all add a sulphonic, followed by texapon, then and soda ash. Okay, so we are going to be mixing all these 3 ingredients, all these 3 chemicals together. After adding it, you then mix it, then add water and mix it very well until everything is well incorporated, okay, and well dissolved. Then once that is done, you now mix it with the main solution of nitrosol. Okay, so when you are done mixing the 3 chemicals, you go on to add it to the main solution of nitrosol, okay, and STPP. So go on and stir everything very well. Stir and until everything is well incorporated. Okay, now after mixing it, you go on to add your SLS. Remember, it was the first chemical we added in a plate, then we now set it aside to dissolve by itself. Now it has dissolved, so we're now going to add the SLS. Then after adding it, you go on to stir it very well. Okay, SLS is a good foaming agent. Okay, it's a very nice foaming agent, so we use it to boost our foaming, in liquid soap, in car wash, in shampoo, and etc. Can you feel it? Can you feel how thick? Can you feel how thick the shampoo is becoming? So go ahead, insert pressure, stir it until everything is well combined. Now we'll go on to add our formalin. Is a preservative. Okay, we'll go ahead to add it, then turn it, stir it very well. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, so it's good to add your preservative so that these products can stay longer, longer for you. So the next one to add is your color. If you have a liquid color, you go ahead and add your desired amount. But if you have a powdered color, go ahead and mix it with water. Okay, mix it with water and turn it very well before adding it to the main solution. So this is how it's done. You don't just add the color, dry color, or rather powdered color like that to your main solution. So put it in the water, stir it very well, then add it to your main solution. Then stir everything continually, stir everything until everything is well combined. Okay, so just add to your taste, to your desired taste. But I prefer light color. Okay. So once that is done, add your perfume. Add your desired perfume. You can decide to mix two different perfume to give it a nice perf. Okay, like mine, I mixed two different perfume. I mixed Valanda and Cool Yeah. So finally, you're going to be in a separate bowl. You add your menthol and camphor. Okay, your menthol and camphor. Pour some water, then mix them together. Mix until it's well dissolved. Okay, so it takes for like 5 minutes to dissolve. So go ahead and stay with speed. Okay, camphor now, it's very nice in shampoo. Okay, yeah, you can use camphor for hair treatment. It kills all these lice on the hair, dandruff, and some of the hair diseases. So don't forget to add it to your camphor. Don't forget to add it to your shampoo. I usually see most people making their shampoo without a camphor. So it's very nice. It's very nice. So like this this production is for 10 liters. Okay, so we are done right now. Go ahead and stir it very well. Stir it very well. Then add the remaining water. Okay, we are making 10 liters of shampoo, so go ahead and add the remaining water and mix it very well. Turn it very well. Once that is done, you cover it and leave it for 24 hours. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, okay, comment and share to family and friends if you find my video helpful. Okay, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I upload a new video. Okay, so let's take a look at our production right now. Can you feel that? Can you feel how smooth and oh my god. You are going to be leaving it for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours you will see the final color. Okay, the final color and the final result. So guys, this is the next day. So This is the final color and the final result. You can see it's very thick. It's thick and like this thing is very foamy. Oh my god. So you can do this for yourself. You can start making it for your family. You can decide to go into the production of a commercial production of this and start making money. Okay, start making money. You watch my packaging video on how to package it, and girl, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Feel that? Can you feel the product is very nice? Very nice. Okay, you can make this and start cashing out, start making money, start cashing out. This is the almighty shampoo. Okay, now that you have acquire this skill, what are you going to do with it? Will you just sit down and do nothing? I don't think so. Do something. Okay, do something with this skill. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.